Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking for you some curry chicken, white rice and potato salad. Hope you'll enjoy it. See you in the kitchen.
Have you prepared the chicken? I've washed it properly and cut them in pieces, and I'm about to season them now. So I'm gonna get my seasoning ready. All-purpose Maggi seasoning. I'm just gonna season it adequately with it. Gonna add my meat seasoning. Some basil, whatever it's how it pronounced. I'm gonna add some of this now. I love this season. Okay, some salt and black pepper mix up, and I'm gonna add these as well. Not too much clean, so I'm gonna rub this in. Some chicken. Adding some pimento seed as well. I've grated some garlic on it already, and I'm going to be adding the others. I've cut up some garlic and escallion, sweet pepper, and onion, and hot pepper. Okay, I'm gonna rub this in. I'll season. Guys, the chicken is now seasoned. I'm gonna leave it now to marinate for about half an hour or maybe an hour before I start cooking the curry chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this and let it rest for half an hour, an hour or so. Alright, I'm heating up the pot now. Okay, getting ready to add some coconut oil. So just wait on this to be heated up. Added the oil. Just gonna add the curry to the oil now. You can also add it to the chicken prior, but because this time I prefer it to be burnt in the oil, then add in the chicken. So I'm gonna be doing that now. I'm gonna take at least 2 tablespoons of the curry. I'm gonna be adding it. So I'm gonna allow this to burn before adding the chicken. Just slightly burn. That's what the curry looks like. I add it to the oil. I'm gonna put in my chicken pieces in now. My chicken is on the fire now, so I'm gonna be making some potato salad and some white rice to have with the curry chicken. Okay, so I wish you could smell it. Yummy. Smells great. take a closer look. I've not added any water to my chicken as yet, and look at that. See, you don't need to add any water because the chicken makes its own liquid when you're currying it. So I'm gonna allow this to steam and cook on a very low flame. I've put some water to boil, and I'm gonna be washing the rice now to add to it. So I'm gonna add the rice with a little butter, some salt. Some people will use some garlic or some thyme to them rice, but I don't want that now. I'm just gonna do it simple today. Boiling, so I'm gonna be adding the rice now. In the meantime, my curry chicken is booming over here. I really don't like when my the meat is smaller than this. I prefer it this size. You can go ahead and cut up your curry chicken smaller if that's your preference. Okay, but this is my preference. Oh, remember what I said about cooking rice? The water must be barely on top of the rice in order for you to get a shelly rice. Okay, and the salt. So I'm just gonna stir this a little and cover it for it to steam. Let's see what's going on here. This Indian curry is not that bright. You realize? Such a disappointment with that curry, but nonetheless it's gonna taste like curry chicken. So remember, when you're buying curry, ensure you have the one that will give it a real curry look. Yes, I thought this Indian curry was it, but this curry is bubbling. Bubbling while the rice is steaming. I wish you could smell this curry chicken in here. Oops. Whoa. Delicious already, and I don't start eating it. Guys, curry chicken coming on nicely. Steaming, low flame. Yes. I will be making some potato salad. So I'm gonna put my potato to boil. I'm gonna put it to boil in the skin, and after it's cooked, I'm gonna strip it and cut it up into pieces. Okay. My rice. Looking good. It's now on the fire. I've added a little salt, so I'm gonna allow this to cook until the fork can go through them. Okay. Chicken is almost ready, and you see why I don't cut them up smaller, because look at them now, size is reduced, right? So you have to think about that also when you're cutting up your chicken to cook. I will be using 2 eggs in my potato salad, so I'm gonna put them to boil now. Hard boiled egg, cannot be runny. Alright, chicken is now ready. have to ensure that you cook your chicken until it's properly done. Right? My potato is now ready. I'm gonna allow it to cool before I start stripping it. I have some onion and some garlic. I'm gonna grate on it after I've diced it. So yes, I will be dicing up the potato now. Guys, your cutting board is important, so each time you use it, remember to wash it off properly before you use it again. Alright, it's very important. I added the onion and the grated garlic, so I'm gonna add the eggs to this now. I'm gonna dice the eggs and combine this. I'm gonna combine the egg with the potato, garlic and onion. I'm gonna add a little vinegar to it. Okay, I'm gonna rest this now for it to cool properly, and then I'm gonna add the mayonnaise. So I'm gonna be mixing the mayonnaise with some honey, and I think I'm gonna add some sweet corn as well, so stick around. Sweet corn, instead of adding sugar, I add some honey, so I'm gonna combine this. I've added the mayonnaise and the honey, so I'm gonna combine this. So stick around for the finished product. Yummy, yummy. This is how it looks. I'm gonna add some basil to it, or basil, so that the herbs can make it look a little different. You don't want to smell this. This looks so good and smells so good. I'm gonna combine this again. There you have it, guys. My homemade potato salad. Potato, eggs, and some sweet corn flavored with mayonnaise and honey and vinegar, onion and garlic, and some basil to taste. I will be putting away this in the fridge for it to get cool before I consume it. So delicious, looking so yummy. Dinner is served. Curry chicken, potato salad, rice on the corn. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Remember to like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.